What's up traders, welcome back to the TFT channel. We're excited to announce that DXtrade is now available on our website. Today, we're going to go over a tutorial on how to purchase, open, and log into your account with DXtrade. First things first, going to log into your account. Select your challenge. You're going to select the challenge type, the account size, DXtrade, and then you're going to fill out all of your billing information. After selecting agree on the terms of use and the cancellation and refund policy, you can add any discount codes that you have available, and then you will complete your order. After you complete your order, it will take you to your order confirmation page, and from here, you should receive 2 emails. The first will have your order details, and then the second email will include your account details, and this is where you will sign into DXtrade using the link on this page. In order to access the trading platform, make sure to follow the link that says DXtrade on your account details email that you receive from us. You can also access by typing in your web browser trade.voyagemarkets.net. So we'll click the link, and this will take us to the login page for your account. So let me copy and paste the username and password, and I'll log in. Currently, we're working on getting our own mobile app approved by iOS and Android to make your experience even better. So look out for announcements to not miss this tool. So let's dive into the DX trading platform. On the upper right hand corner, you'll see your account balance. On the default page, you'll have a default watch list, a few charts, your positions and order information, and an alerts tab. You also have a few other tabs available, including a trading dashboard, trading journal, and technical analysis tab. From here, you can add your charts, positions, or a watch list. You also have a few other options in these 2 drop-down menus. You can customize your charts by clicking the settings icon on the right-hand side. From here, you can select or deselect any of your preferred options. You also have drawing tools available in this drop-down menu. You can also select your chart type and your time frame that you'd like to trade on. To set alerts, simply right-click on the chart and click Alert. From here, you can add your alert information and create your alert. To create a new order, you can either right-click on the chart or simply click on the sell or buy icon in the left-hand corner. From here, you will select your order type, the lot size you'd like to trade, and then you can add your stop loss and take profit levels. We also have one-click trading available, and you can enable it by selecting the one-click trading button next to the Tools tab. You can close your position by either clicking the Stop button on the chart or clicking the X button on the Positions tab. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to purchase, open, and log into your DXtrade platform. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.